Remember that recently there was a stampede that led to the loss of life of 120 people, innocent, and most of them women and children from lower economic strata. And the focus has now come on this Bhole Baba. Not popular on social media as such, but definitely has a massive fan following on the ground in Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Delhi, and that belt. But now shocking details are emerging. When more was being dug out about who is this Bhole Baba, whose original name is Suraj Pal, women devotees appear to be starting to speak up. This Baba would allegedly surround himself with young women, or if I may, explicitly add here, virgin girls, called them gopis, and they were given dresses to wear, and Bhole Baba would be fed meals by these gopis, and there would be water arranged for him. All of this was happening. Remember that this raises a question on who are these self-styled godmen. How is he able to attract the following that he did, specifically when it came to a certain group? And that also, when the numbers swelled, the satsang was not stopped. It continued midway. So why issues are emerging on this Bhole Baba now? He's not been named in the FIR. Why? Does nobody in the administration and authorities think that he deserves the blame to continue the satsang despite knowing fairly well that the numbers have gone beyond control? For now, we are told he's not been questioned by the cops, not mentioned in the SIT report. Is someone trying to save him, and why? There have been, remember earlier as well, politicians fully aware of his following. They have come to his satsang, and that only shows that he has some sort of either a political backing or influence, that someone is fearful to take action against him. 120 lives lost. Baba has come under the radar, and now some disturbing details are emerging.
Bhole Baba, whereabouts unknown since the deadly stampede in Hathras. He was the man leading the satsang on July 2nd. Since the tragedy, he's only put out one video statement. Now, his past is catching up with him. India Today has uncovered an unholy side of this self-styled godman. The relationship between him and his female devotees or gopis. Men and women who went to Bhole Baba's satsang have made some sensational revelations. They claim Suraj Pal, aka Bhole Baba, surrounded himself with virgin girls. He would tell these girls that they can see the reflection of God in his sunglasses, which he would wear only during the satsang. The girls were given special red dresses by the satsang organizing committee. These girls in red would then dress up and put makeup and dance around Bhole Baba. Red attire was only for virginal girls.
लड़कियां गहने कपड़े पहनकर नाचती और बाबा के पास कूद कूद के उनने जाली जंगलाने और पहुंच जाती और खूब नाचते हंसते उनने उनके चश्मान में प्रभु दिखाई देवे और खूब नाचे वो आत्मान के पति बना कर रह गई उनमें टेंट तंबू कचुताने रहते वहीं पे तैयार होती और वहीं पे दरबार में जाते ड्रेस नहीं जाती बगैर ड्रेस हमने कोई ये ना घुसन देवे जो ड्रेस पहन कर रहती वो सज धज कर वही जाती.
Devotees claim only virgins were made Bhole Baba's disciples and that married women were not allowed to meet him.
लड़कियां ही रहती थी कुआरी ब्याही जो अनपढ़ लड़कियां वो गुरनाम लेती वो लेडीज जो मतलब उनमें अंधविश्वास ने एक भी भीतर ना हुई ऐसो वो तो वह भोले बाबा के रूप से देखे जिनको ने एक भी ना हो.
This not so Bhole Baba also had his own harem. Special bath water would be prepared by the Baba's gopis that had neem and rose petals and would be scented with perfume. The gopis would also feed him.
नीम का पानी से स्नान करता है. लेडीज ही उसे नहलाती हैं, लेडीज ही खिलाती हैं, कपड़े तलाक लेडीज पहनाती हैं. और लेडीजों में भी कुंवारी लड़कियां हैं, ये नहीं कि ब्याही थाई लड़कियां आती हों.
A godman who indulged in most unholy acts. That's Bhole Baba. Bureau Report, India Today.
So when the special investigative team when the committee was formed and decided to probe this further, here's what SIT report has stated, that there was clearly a lack security. When you're expecting over 1 lakh people, how can it would be simply be some barriers and a tent? Instead, the fact was that there was no barricading or passage arrangement. So, you know, while there were, you could see that there were barriers, it wasn't enough as passage arrangements to be made so that people could have their way specifically toward the entry and the exit points. But importantly, when the stampede started, those who knew or could control the situation, those members of the organizing committee allegedly fled the spot after the incident. This is what the SIT report has stated. And perhaps a question then, again, as much on Bhole Baba and the organizers, but also the administration, which are fully aware the numbers that can swell up in Bhole Baba Satsang. Abhishek Mishra is joining me for the latest on that. Abhishek, it's disturbing, but also it's a story that should not die down. 120 people, no less, women and children. What is being done? Because why do I get a feeling that is someone trying to also protect him?
Well, Pooja, unfortunately, that is looks like a reality as of now. The Baba is absconding. There is no mention of him in the FIR. He's still not the part of the investigation. Although the police is all set to take the remand of the accused organizer. But whether or not he will name Baba, whether or not he will make him responsible, what has gone throughout this incident. And what is important is that in the SIT report, there is a mention of instigation, in a way that there was a call to take the dust of Baba, and that kind of, instigated this and resulted in this stampede where 122 lives have been lost. So that is something which is a major part of the investigation. But the reality is, yes, indeed, is this that the Baba is not there. He is neither in the grip, under the grip of police. He is nor in front of any camera, nor there in any public eye. And at the same time, it has been said politically also. Mayawati once said that she needs a proper investigation. Baba should be taken into consideration. But nothing of that sort is actually happening at the moment, which is also raising a lot of questions over the investigation and its module. Yes.
Abhishek, keep tracking the details in this case, because there is definitely a network, or so to say a nexus, because it's not just about the Bhole Baba or the issue here. And we'll go across to other details as well. Abhishek, thank you for now. Now, why is he not named in the FIR? Why is he not being questioned by the police? It was his satsang. And the bigger question is, why wasn't the event called off when the numbers appeared to be going beyond control? He's not even named in the SIT report. Suraj Pal, Aka Narayan Sakar Hari, Aka Bhole Baba. The man was leading the satsang when 123 people now have been confirmed dead. From Mayawati, remember we were told that it was only BSP chief Mayawati, the first and only UP politician right now, who's openly demanding action against him. So then, are there a lot of issues in the political overtones there, in the caste overtones there in UP, that's shielding him?
8 days and counting. There is still no trace of Suraj Pal, aka Narayan Sakar Hari, aka Bhole Baba. 123 people were killed at his satsang on 2nd July in Hathras in Uttar Pradesh. A special investigation team probing the deadly tragedy has held the organizers of the satsang primarily responsible, but does not name Bhole Baba. The UP police had earlier said that Bhole Baba will be summoned for interrogation if required. 11 people, including Mukhya Sevadar or head volunteer and main accused Dev Prakash Madhukar, have been arrested so far. Will there be any action against Bhole Baba? BSP chief Mayawati has questioned the SIT report, saying that it is silent on the God-man, the main organizer of the deadly incident. She also claims that there is an attempt to give Bhole Baba a clean chit. Mayawati is the first UP politician to publicly demand action against the God-man, who belongs to the Jatav community and has influence among SC/ST and OBCs.
भोले बाबा पर इस तरह टारगेट करना, जाति क्या दलित शोषित समाज को भक्ति करने का बिल्कुल अधिकार उन्होंने छीन लिया है। जब वो 30-35 मिनट पहले वहां से विसर्जन करके जा चुके थे, फिर उसके बाद ऐसा कहना बहन मायावती द्वारा बहुत दुखद है और इससे पूरा शोषित वंचित समाज बहुत दुखी है, आहत है।
Samajwadi Party chief and MP Akhilesh Yadav continues to blame the UP government, but is conspicuously silent on Bhole Baba.
अभी जो हाथरस में घटना हुई वो भी प्रशासन का फेलियर था। अधिकारियों के खिलाफ कार्रवाई हुई है और जब कार्रवाई की है सरकार ने, तो सरकार ने स्वीकार किया है कि जब अनुमति दी थी तो अनुमति होने के बाद जो पर्याप्त सुरक्षा, पर्याप्त अधिकारियों का इंतजाम होना चाहिए था, वो सरकार ने नहीं किया।
The UP government too is playing it safe.
किसी को रिपोर्ट पर आपत्ति होती है तो पुनः उस पर विचार किया जाता है। अगर उसको लगता है तो सरकार पर भेजें और उस पर विचार किया जाएगा कि किन बिंदुओं पर कमी रही है, उस बिंदु को सुधारने के लिए फिर से कहा जाएगा।
The SIT report does not rule out conspiracy and recommends an in-depth investigation. It has also found Tehsil level police and administration guilty. Bureau Report, India Today.